In the news and in today's commentary headlines, opposition leader Mark Golding is demanding answers after the shocking Auditor General's report revealed that billions in Hurricane Melissa relief donations reportedly remain largely unused months after families across western Jamaica were left devastated. This is Michy's commentary. Like, share, and subscribe. But listen to this. Mark Golding says Jamaica deserves accountability. After touring hard-hit communities in St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James, and Trelawny, he says he witnessed the pain and destruction firsthand. He reminded Jamaicans that citizens at home and abroad donated generously, believing the relief would quickly reach struggling families. But now, 5 months later, many hurricane victims are still suffering, while critical funds reportedly remain idle.
Greetings, Jamaica. Today, I want to say a few words about this condition of the country and this Auditor General report, which I've just had the chance to read, to do the Hurricane Melissa Relief Initiative audit. And you know, coming out of Hurricane Melissa, traveling through St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James, parts of Trelawny, and you see the level of devastation to people's lives, how it set people back, how much loss they incurred, how much they are suffering. And I think to myself, why isn't the government doing more? We got all this help from overseas, from foreign governments, from international donor organizations, shipping materials, shipping food and other relief to the country. And for the first couple of months, that was being distributed until people moved on. But the suffering is still there. I remember the Minister Grange asking me to be part of the telethon to encourage people to donate to the relief effort. And I said, well, Jamaica needs the help, I'm going to do it. So when I read this report saying that as at February 23rd, 2026, 5 months after the hurricane hit, ODPEM, which is the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, received a total of $1.44 billion in cash money donated for Hurricane Melissa, comprising $473.4 million Jamaican and $6.1 million US dollars, which is 963 million Jamaican dollars, from the Support Jamaica initiative and direct donations. And they had only used 26 million Jamaican dollars, less than 2%, to spend on the people who are suffering. That is an act of gross dereliction of duty of the government.
Golding says this is unacceptable and is standing in solidarity with every Hurricane Melissa victim, demanding transparency, urgency, and answers from the government.
People suffering. I just saw a video by a tourism worker lady. Said she got 6 sheets of zinc, 6 pieces of wood, 3 box of nails, and a few hurricane straps. And because she got that as a tourism worker from the TEF, she was told she can't get any more assistance. And her house is still under tarpaulin. Every day it rains, she said, everything wet up. She has to set pan, bucket. Her life is still in turmoil. And all this money that was raised by the generosity and positive spirit of the Jamaican people here and abroad. And 98% of it, 5 months after the hurricane, still sitting down idle when people are suffering. The government roof initiative giving relatively small sums for people who have suffered major losses. And this money could have helped it go further. It's a disgrace. I think if there's anything that would make people angry in this country, knowing how much hardship the people who experience the brunt of Melissa have gone through. It is this. So I'm doing this video just to express solidarity with the victims of the hurricane and my outrage at how this matter has been handled. Remember, after Melissa, the Prime Minister took ODPEM, which is supposed to be an independent disaster preparedness organization set up under some strong legislation. I know it because it was passed when I was Minister of Justice. And he took it, put it into the office of the Prime Minister under his leadership, changed the man in charge and brought in somebody else from the JDS. And we all wondered why. And now we see this. 98% of the cash money donated, 1.44 billion of it, not used at the end of February. Only less than 2% used to help people who desperately need the help. It's a crying shame.
This is Michy Deck's commentary. And remember, family, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, family, don't skip the ads. Walk good Jamaica.